Hi everyone, this is Rich from Upload Security, and today I'm going to teach you how to connect to the dark web using a VPN and Parrot OS. First, let's go to Google Chrome. We're going to type in Parrot OS. We're going to go to download. We're going to download. It's going to download the ISO file. I've already downloaded this, so at this point in the video, just pause it, and when your download finishes, resume it. Okay. At this point, pick your VM host. You can either use VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. I like to use VirtualBox, it's a little bit easier. Click Tools, we're going to go Add Parrot OS. We're going to click Linux, and that's going to be 64-bit Debian. From there, we're going to say 8,000, that's 8 gigs. VDI is fine, dynamically allocated. Let's give it 20 gigs because you need, I think, 15 for the default install for Parrot OS. Okay, let's go into our settings, and we'll go to System, Processor, 2. Then we're going to go to storage. Let's import our Parrot Home OS that we downloaded. Choose. And then we should be okay. Now let's start it up. Try and install. Alright, from this point, we're going to go to Menu, type in Install, and it'll give us the installer for Parrot. Okay. Let's do Next, Next, Next. Erase, Hibernate Swap. Next, Tester. You can make that anything you want. Does not have to be tester, I'm just doing that by default. Please make a long, secure password. Then install. Alright, when that finishes installing, I'll be right back. Alright, now that we're done, we're not going to select Restart Now, we're going to hit Done. And we're going to power off the virtual machine. Then we're going to go to Settings, to Storage, click our file, our ISO file, and then we're going to remove the disk. Hit OK, and start it back up. This is, if we didn't remove that, it's just going to start up in the installer over and over, so we just need to remove it so it can start up using what we installed. Okay, type in our password. Alright, now let's update our OS. So sudo apt update, enter, type in our password. then sudo apt dist-upgrade tag y. Enter. Okay, we updated our sudo apt updates our apt list, or our sources, and then sudo apt dist-upgrade tag y is now upgrading our distribution, our OS, and everything inside of it. And then the tag y just says yes to all the yes or no prompts. So I'm gonna let this install and I'll be back. Alright, we're done updating. The reason why we updated was to ensure that we are completely up to date, so that'll help stop any security issues that we might have, such as malicious people on the internet or on the dark web. Okay, from here we're going to use our VPN of choice. Mine is MULVAD because MULVAD's the new hot VPN on a lot of the privacy forums. It's also one of the completely anonymous VPNs. Even signing up, you need to be, there's nothing linking you to your account. So if they did keep logs, they couldn't point to you, and they don't. So, and it's also incredibly affordable. It's only $5 a month at this time. So from here, let's go to apps. Scroll down to Linux. Download the deb file. We're going to save the file. Okay. Alright, now let's show the folder. We're going to right click, open in terminal, and do sudo dpkg tag I, and then do a capital M and tab out, and that will install it. Alright, now that MULVAD is installed, we are going to shut down or power off our VM, and we're going to get a snapshot of its current config. So in order to do that, we're going to click the three squares, snapshots, take a snapshot, and we're going to call that the default. So the reasoning for this is that every time we get off of the VM or shut down the VM, we restore it to the default state so that we're not bringing back anything bad from the dark web. Okay, from here, start it back up. Type in our password. Go down to the menu, type in your VPN of choice, whatever you installed. Okay, from there, we're going to log into our VPN. Okay, then we're going to connect. Okay, it is connected. Then from here, go to menu, type in Tor. We're going to launch the Tor browser. And it's going to download and install the Tor browser. connect. This is okay. Sometimes when you're trying to connect, it takes a second. It has to build the network out. Okay, cancel and we're going to connect. Alright, now we're connected. If it doesn't connect after a minute or two, just cancel it and start it back over and it should grab a connection. And remember, when you're connecting, always connect to your VPN first and then connect through that tunnel to the Tor network by initiating the Tor browser. Okay, from this point, you're on the dark web. Happy exploring and thank you for watching. I'll be putting a few links down in the description of this video for search engines on the dark web and stuff like that. All right, thank you and have a nice night.